गुड इवनिंग। आज हम जानेंगे हंसी के फ़ायदे। हमारे मेंटर ने एक बुक सजेस्ट की थी, एनाटॉमी ऑफ विलनेस। वाइल आई वॉज गोइंग थ्रू दैट बुक, आई केम टू नो अबाउट द नॉर्मन कजिन्स. He had a very critical spine related disease which is known as ankylosing spondylitis, and it was giving him so much pain. Doctor had also left the hope. They said that there are very rare chances of curing it, but then too Norman Cousins thought to check with the alternative therapies. So what he did, he left the hospital, he went to the hotel, and maximum time he used to spend on watching the comedy and the humorous movies. So gradually after some time he found that whenever he laughed, his pain was reducing. So it was helping him to the pain management. And after certain periods he found that he was cured from this critical spine related disease which doctor had also left the hope. So there was also one research done by the doctor of Stanford University, that is William Fry. What he did, whenever he used to watch the comedy series or the movie, he used to take a sample of blood from his body and he used to check that. तो he found that जब भी वो हंसते थे तो there are increase in the immune cells which used to kill the infectious pathogen in the body. So he found that the laughter is the best medicine. It is freely and easily available to all of us as a human being. सो दोस्तों, लाफिंग के बेनिफिट्स क्या है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो अब व्हेन वी लाफ, our brain releases a natural painkiller hormone that is known as endorphin. So it helps in the pain management. Second, as you are laughing, your stress hormone that is cortisol and adrenaline get reduced. And as the production of stress hormone is reducing, you will feel the calmness, peace, relaxation, and you will find that it is helping you in your anxiety and depression as well. When we laugh, there is an improvement in our immunity system. Our natural killer cells that we call as the NK cells, it also gets increased. As we laugh through our belly. So there are the gut bacteria. अपने पेट में gut bacteria होते हैं which are very important, microbes जिसे हम कहते हैं. तो gut bacteria and brain has a very good connection. So laughing helps us to have a very good control in overall our body. Also when we laugh, there is found that release in the hypertension, stress and cardiac related problems. Also one of the thing is that when we laugh, our muscles get massage, you see, and we will feel much better relaxation. So दोस्तों, whatever busy schedule you have, just take 5 to 10 minutes of your busy schedule. Spend time in laughing, laugh like a child, enjoy your life very freely and live stress free. Thank you.